Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with SMG, where you learn English slowly, clearly, and easily. Today, you will listen to a fun story about two friends, Sam and Emma. They go to different places, talk, laugh, and enjoy their day. And you will learn with them. Don't worry, the English is very simple, and I will speak slowly so you can understand everything. Before we start, here is today's question. What is Emma's favorite hobby? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. Write your answer in the comments. Now relax and let's begin.
It is 9 o'clock. Where is Emma?
Sam, hi, I am here. Sorry, am I late?
Just a little. 5 minutes.
Oh no, I am so sorry. The bus was slow today.
No problem, Emma. I'm happy you are here now.
Thank you, Sam. You are very kind.
So, are you ready for today?
Yes, I am very excited. What is our first plan?
First, we go to the bakery, then the cafe, then the park.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. I love the bakery.
Me too. Their bread smells so good.
Sam, what does platform mean? I see that word here.
Good question. A platform is the place where you wait for the train. You stand on the platform, then the train comes. You get on the train.
Ah, I understand. So we are standing on the platform now?
Yes, exactly. Platform number 3.
I learned a new word. Platform.
Great. Now the train is coming. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. Oh, wow. Sam, do you smell that?
Yes, it smells amazing.
I love bakeries. Everything looks so delicious.
What do you want to try?
I want the croissant. What about you?
I want the cinnamon roll. They look so soft and warm.
Yes. Sam, what is a croissant exactly?
A croissant is a French bread. It is light, it is soft, it has a curved shape like a moon.
Oh, like a moon. That is a beautiful way to say it.
And it is very buttery.
Buttery. That means it has butter?
Yes, exactly. Butter is inside the bread. That is why it tastes so good.
I love learning food words.
Hello. Can I have one cinnamon roll, please?
Of course. Anything else?
Yes, please. One croissant for my friend.
Coming right up. Sam, what does coming right up mean?
It means I will bring it to you very soon. It is a friendly way to say, just wait a moment.
Oh, that is so useful. Coming right up. Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Sam, this croissant is amazing.
And my cinnamon roll is so soft.
I think this is the best bakery in the city.
I agree. I come here every Saturday morning.
Really? Every Saturday?
Yes, it is my little Saturday habit.
What is a habit?
A habit is something you do regularly, again and again. Like, I drink coffee every morning. That is my habit.
Oh, I see. My habit is reading books before bed.
That is a great habit, Emma.
Thank you. Okay, I am finished. Should we go to the cafe now?
Yes, let's go.
Oh, I like this cafe. It feels very cozy.
I know. This is my favorite cafe.
What does cozy mean?
Cozy means warm, comfortable and relaxing, like you feel safe and happy inside.
Yes, that is exactly how I feel right now. Cozy.
Let's find a seat.
What are you going to order?
I will have a latte.
A latte? What is that?
A latte is a coffee drink. It has strong coffee, called espresso, and then warm milk on top. It is smooth and creamy.
That sounds nice. I will have a hot chocolate.
Good choice. Hot chocolate is perfect for a relaxing day. Hello. What can I get for you? One latte, please. And one hot chocolate for my friend, please. Any snacks today? No, thank you. We just had breakfast at the bakery. Oh, nice. I will be back with your drinks.
Sam, can I ask you something?
Of course.
What are your hobbies?
Oh, great question. I love playing guitar. I play every evening for about 30 minutes.
Wow, really? Are you good?
I am not very good, but I enjoy it very much.
That is what matters, right?
Exactly. Playing guitar helps me relax. It makes me happy.
That is wonderful. Do you play any songs?
Yes, I play simple songs. I like slow, calm music.
I would love to hear you play someday.
Of course. What about you, Emma? What are your hobbies?
I have two hobbies. My first hobby is painting.
Oh, painting. That is beautiful.
Yes, I love painting flowers. I paint every weekend.
What do you paint them on?
On canvas. A canvas is like a flat board. You put paint on it.
I know what a canvas is, but I never tried painting.
You should try. It is very relaxing, like your guitar.
Yes, maybe. What is your second hobby?
Reading.
Ah, you mentioned that earlier, reading before bed.
Yes, I love reading. I read all kinds of books, novels, stories, travel books.
What is your favorite type of book?
I love adventure stories, stories where people travel to new places.
That makes sense. You seem like an adventurous person.
Yes, maybe a little.
One latte and one hot chocolate. Enjoy. Thank you.
This hot chocolate is so creamy.
And my latte is perfect.
Sam, this cafe is wonderful. I think I will come here every week now.
Good idea. Maybe we can come together every Saturday.
That would be so nice.
Okay, finish your hot chocolate. Then let's go to the park.
Yes, let's go. Oh, Sam, this park is so beautiful.
I know. I love coming here.
Look at those flowers. They are so colorful.
Yellow, red, pink.
Beautiful. I wish I had my painting things with me.
You want to paint them?
Yes, they are perfect flowers.
Maybe next time. Bring your canvas.
Good idea.
Emma, what do you notice here?
I notice many things. The trees are very tall, the grass is very green, and the air is so fresh.
Yes, fresh air. That means clean air. Air with no pollution.
Pollution? That is when the air is dirty?
Exactly. In the city, sometimes the air has pollution. But here in the park, the air is clean and fresh.
That is why I love parks.
Me too.
Sam, look at the ducks.
Oh yes, they are swimming in the pond.
They look so happy.
Do ducks look happy?
Yes, look at them. Swimming, swimming, swimming. No problems.
Maybe we should be like ducks.
Just swim and be happy.
Exactly.
Sam, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Do you think hobbies are important?
Yes, very important. I think hobbies help you feel good. They help you relax. They help you forget your problems for a while.
I agree. When I paint, I forget everything. I only think about the colors and the brush.
That is called being in the moment.
Being in the moment?
Yes, it means you are not thinking about the past, you are not thinking about the future. You are only here, only now.
Oh, that is beautiful. Being in the moment.
Painting helps you do that. Guitar helps me do that.
And walking in the park helps too.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, look at that kite.
Beautiful. So many colors.
Did you fly kites when you were a child?
Yes, all the time. My father took me to the park every Sunday. We flew kites together.
That is such a sweet memory.
Yes, those were happy days.
My happiest memories are with my grandmother. She taught me how to paint.
Really? Your grandmother?
Yes, she was an artist. She painted flowers, trees, the sky. She was amazing.
She sounds wonderful.
She was. I paint because of her. Every time I paint, I think of her.
That is very touching, Emma. Painting keeps her memory alive.
Yes, exactly.
I am glad we came here today.
Me too. This was a perfect day.
Station, bakery, cafe, park.
And so many conversations.
Yes, I think we talked more today than in the whole last week.
That is because today was special.
I agree. Well, Emma, it is getting late.
Yes, time to go home.
But first, let's talk about our day. What did we do today?
Okay, first we met at the station. We learned the word platform.
Yes, then we went to the bakery. We learned the words croissant, buttery, and habit.
Then we went to the cafe. We learned the word cozy and latte.
And we talked about our hobbies.
Guitar and painting.
And reading.
Then we came to the park. We learned fresh air and being in the moment.
We had a wonderful day.
We did, and I think I learned a lot of English today.
Me too. Even I learned something.
What did you learn?
I learned that painting is like playing guitar. It helps you feel calm. It helps you be in the moment.
Yes, and I learned that you are very kind.
Thank you, Emma.
Sam, same time next Saturday?
Definitely. Station, bakery, cafe, park.
And more conversations.
Always more conversations. Goodbye, park. Goodbye, ducks.
Goodbye, ducks.
Now, let's go back to today's question. Do you remember? The question was, what is Emma's favorite hobby? Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments. I want to see your answer. Thank you so much for watching today. You did a great job. You listened to Sam and Emma. You learned new English words. Words like platform, croissants, cozy, habit, fresh air, being in the moment. Amazing work. Now, please write your answer in the comments. Tell me, what is Emma's favorite hobby, and also tell your favorite hobby. I want to know. And if you enjoyed this video, please like this video. It really helps the channel. And please subscribe to English with SMG so you never miss a new story.